Would you like to learn how to implement BIM into your project and practice successfully? Please comment below if you have been thinking to implement BIM or trying to implement BIM and having some difficulties with all the details. This video will give you a great framework in the next couple of minutes to understand exactly what you need to successfully implement BIM into your project or your practice. So keep watching. Some authors refer successful implementation of BIM as three-legged stool. So if one of the legs are missing, the stool will not be stable. And these are processes, tools, and behaviors. Let's start with the processes. Processes is all about change. When you make a change into your daily process, daily workflow, daily supply chain, how would you ensure that you deliver all the stuff you need to deliver and the methods and standards and procedures you use while you are delivering all those items? So you make a great plan in order to understand how and what kind of process you would like to follow, what kind of workflow you would like to follow throughout the project lifecycle. Second thing is tools. It's about technologies. What kind of technologies are you going to involve into your practice to support the processes you have been planning? So that plan has to be efficiently supported by the necessary technologies, and those can be done within a couple of methods. And here I will give you three important methods, or I could say most favorable methods we use in the industry. Method number one, pile on. That is adding additional tools or additional technologies into your current practices or current processes. Number two would be swap out, which means you swap out all your current methods and processes and you build new tools and new processes, which is from the scratch. That can be beneficial in certain cases, but it might require more effort and more time to successfully implement it into your practice. And the third one would be process first. So you really build a well plan on understanding what you need to deliver and how would you like to work. And you build everything based on your process. Even you might need to build some technology, some tools, some APIs, or any other medium. And then there is third leg, which is behavior. Scott Simpson, referenced by Hardin and McCall in their book, he says, BIM is all about sociology, and he refers it is 10% technology and 90% sociology. So it's about people, it's about mindset. If you have the right mindset and right people, BIM implementation will be definitely successful. So people have to be motivated and they have to understand that greater benefits BIM can bring, the greater benefits they will receive. If you'd like to learn more about specialized content for project stakeholders, like architects, engineers, building contractors, building developers, you can click on this video series right on the side. If you'd like to learn more about what kind of value and what kind of differences there are for small and large-scale projects with BIM, you can click on this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, especially if this video added some value to you, because every week we will be posting at least one educational video like this one for you. So don't forget to turn on your notification bell. See you next time.